Let's turn now to the 9 at 9. The death toll has gone up after multiple states were hit by tornadoes. A new study shows long-term space travel could permanently damage astronauts' brains. Plus, a look at how COVID-19 is impacting communities around the world.
Here's tonight's 9 at 9. The death toll from the storm system that rolled across the south and up the east coast is now up to at least 34. Severe weather spawned at least 40 tornadoes. Now, states already grappling with the coronavirus pandemic are trying to recover from the storm's impact. Some shops and businesses in Italy were allowed to reopen today. Among the stores to reopen, clothing stores for babies and children and bookstores. The new decree says any store that reopens to the public must respect the rules. For example, making hand sanitizer available and enforcing the use of masks in closed spaces. Some U.S. farmers are destroying their crops over a lack of demand from restaurants that have become takeout or delivery only. Some dairy farmers are dumping fresh milk that would normally go to schools that are now closed. But the American Farm Bureau and Feeding America want to get those wasted products into food banks. They're proposing a voucher program that would let farmers and food banks work together directly instead of going through a third party. Former President Barack Obama has officially endorsed Joe Biden for president.
Joe has the character and the experience to guide us through one of our darkest times and heal us through a long recovery.
The halt in demand for air traffic amid the coronavirus pandemic is having a staggering effect on Boeing. In March, customers canceled orders from the aircraft maker for 150 jets. According to the company's CEO, Boeing is now offering buyouts and enhanced retirement packages to employees as it attempts to limit the need for involuntary layoffs. South Korea is sending 600,000 COVID-19 test kits to the United States. The country's ability to test large numbers of people in short periods of time have been seen as a major contributing factor in its success in combating the virus. Ticketmaster is facing backlash over its refund policy. USA Today reports that previous wording on Ticketmaster's website said refunds were available for postponed, rescheduled, or canceled events. The wording has been changed to state that refunds, quote, are available if your event is canceled, end quote. Ticketmaster said they merely changed the wording, but that the policy on postponed events has remained consistent. According to a new study, long-term space flight could permanently increase an astronaut's brain volume, and that's not a good thing. The findings of the study also indicate that the effects can include a deformation of the pituitary gland. The study's lead author says microgravity causes blood to redistribute towards the head instead of pooling towards the lower extremities, creating more pressure on the head. A 97-year-old great-grandmother defeats the coronavirus in Brazil. She is the oldest patient who has managed to overcome the disease in the country. The woman was admitted to the hospital on April 1st, presenting symptoms like cough and mental confusion. She has since recovered and was released from the hospital on Sunday. To read more about these stories, head to ksat.com.